Well, my supervisor is on break. I thought I would still work. Now, what is my project today? Yeah, no, it's not how to install a garbage disposal. That's the old garbage disposal, and I just installed a brand new garbage disposal right there. And I had to install that deal there and screw it on there, put the pigtail on. And I've got that on one of my previous episodes, okay? And the previous episode before that, I had to install this basket strainer on this sink. This was a brand new sink, brand new countertop. I installed the faucet, the soap dispenser, and now I'm ready to install the trap assembly and all that kind of stuff. And for a garbage disposal and a sink like this, you're gonna have a trap assembly, something like this. This is the old one. Okay, see this gets hooked up to the garbage disposal. It comes straight across all the way over to where the other drain is, and then it goes down to the trap and then out the wall. Okay, so that's what I've got to mimic. Now I could use some of these old parts. I don't know how old they are. I might use part of that, but then you can go to the store, you can get parts. And see this one here, telescopic disposer kit. And see, it comes with that T there, and then it comes with some extensions to extend this over to the garbage disposal, to extend this up to the other sink. And then there's a trap assembly. You can get the P-trap assembly by itself. And you know, they have these in the white polyethylene, polypropylene, whatever you call it. I don't like using the white ones. I like using the black ABS. The ABS is a little bit stronger. In fact, if you ever go underneath the sink and you see the white P-traps, and if you ever get ready to sell your house, lots of times the home inspector will mark it down on his list of things that, the white ones aren't as good as the ABS. You should change it out to ABS, and that was on the inspection report when we purchased this condo. And I don't like using those. They're just a lot thinner. They don't last as long. I like to use the ABS ones. They also have the steel ones, and that steel one is not for this sink. Years ago, they used to only have the steel ones before the ABS. That steel one is for a pedestal sink. I've got to install a pedestal sink in here because I pulled it off so that we could redo the floor. I put a new toilet in there. Yeah, of course I got all that stuff on my videos on these episodes for the condo renovation. And I'll be installing that later. Okay, but that's what our project is. Okay,